Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Paglams and I'm back with another hair tutorial. So today's tutorial is going to be different, and it's also a very trendy style that's been going on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, like all the social media platforms. Ladies are hopping on this trend. I love the trend and I know you've seen it and I know you love it. And I'm going to add my twist to the style just to make it a little bit different, because I'm just considering the shape of my face. I don't know if I do the same style, if it will come out the same, but I don't want to. So I want to add my own a little twist to it. Okay, so this is the rubber band style. I think they call it, so the one trending on Instagram is called the rubber band knotless braid. I'm just going to insert a picture here so you see the style, and also another picture here. But I won't be doing the knotless braids. I'll be doing crochet at the back because, like I said, I want to do something different, add my twist to the style. And when I was thinking of doing this style, I got sent a huge box of braiding hair extensions, and let me show you guys what the extension looks like. So this is the big box I was sent. It can't fit into the screen, but this is how much of the extension I have here in this box. So I'm going to bring out the extension and show you guys the beautiful extension that I'll be working with to achieve the rubber band style. So to achieve the rubber band style, and the extension that I'll be using that was sent to me is by Freetress braids, and this is their 3x pre-fluffed popping twist in 16 inches, and I got sent the color 1. So I'm going to bring it out from the pack so you guys see how beautiful and how soft this extension is to achieve the style that I'm going for. And the good thing about this, the pre-fluffed popping twist, is that you can achieve different styles with this extension. You can do kinky twists, you can do butterfly locks, and you can do updos with it as well. So it's very versatile when it comes to styling. But today I won't be doing any of this, but maybe I'll be doing something close to this updo, but it's going to come out looking like a little bit of fro at the back because I want more volume, and this is definitely going to give me the look that I'm going for. So if you want to do like an afro style, you want more volume, you know, this is perfect for it. If you want to do twist, butterfly locks, this is also perfect for it. And the good thing about this extension is that it is really soft. Like, guys, it is so soft. So it means that whatever the style you're going for, it's very easy to work with because it's really soft, right? So if you're doing like the fro that I'm going for, this is perfect. Butterfly locks, this is perfect. Kinky twist, this is perfect. And especially for kinky twist, this is going to mimic your natural hair texture. So like mine, if I do what's it called, the kinky twist with my texture, oh my god, it's going to look amazing. But because I don't want to do any of that, I just want to have like a fro and then do the butterfly, not the butterfly, then do the rubber band style just in front here, and then have the fro at the back. I just can't imagine how beautiful this style is going to turn out. Okay, now for the 3x pre-fluffed popping twist, they also have another extension that is also like close to the coils but a little bit different, and this one is called the, hold on, let me get it. Yeah, so this one is also called the 3x pre-fluffed water popping twist. So they look so much alike, like you basically can't really tell if you're looking at it straight from the pack, because the texture of both extensions, like they look so much alike, but they're different actually. So I'm just going to bring this one out as well so you can see the texture of this. So this is it. So this is how it is. It's also looking like, you know, the pre-fluffed popping twist, but it's different. It's just slightly different, but almost the same kind of coil pattern. For today's tutorial, I won't be using the water popping twist. Rather, I'll be using the pre-fluffed popping twist. Okay, so this is what I'll be working with. And now let me show you guys the whole extension so you see how it is. So the reason why it's called 3x is because, of course, it has 3 of it here. So you see it's already divided into 3. That's why it's called the 3x, right? And this is it. This is how the texture of it is looking as well. It's looking like kinky extension, but very soft and very fluffy, and it's also very springy as well. As you can see with me pulling on the extension, it has a little bit of a bounce to it, right? That's why you can call it like a springy feel of the extension, and it's really full. Like, this is one pack. If the style I'm going for, I think I might end up using just one pack, or maybe add a little bit from the ones I have, but I feel like one of it is going to do me with the style, and I probably might cut it into two. And this is how long it is as well. So let me just rip this one off, and this is it. Like, it is really long. Like I said, this is in what's it called? I think it's in 16 inches. So this is really long. So guys, starting the rubber band style, I am starting on a pre-stretched hair, and I stretched my hair using my hand blow dryer on medium heat. And now I'm going to section out the parts that I want to more like divide the hair in front. And because I don't want so much of the rubber band going all the way to the back, I'm just going to make it as close as possible to the front, as you'd see me do.
Speeding like there ain't no stop sign. My eyes set on the prize, yeah. I wanna go down, I wanna go down. But damn, it feels good when you jump on it. Scars on my chest like you own.
So because the style is a rubber band style, I'll be using these tiny rubber bands you can get from the beauty supply store. And please be careful when you're working with the rubber band. It can get really tight, so you want to be able to adjust it to your preference, right? It's not supposed to be extremely tight where you start feeling pains on your scalp. Remember, the style is a protective style. It's supposed to protect your hair and not destroy your hair. So basically with the rubber band, I'll be creating like a crisscross with the rubber band. So I'm just twirling the hair, and then I'll cross it to the opposite direction of the hair, as you can see me do. So basically it's very easy to achieve, and yeah, just watch the tutorial and it's very self-explanatory.
Selfish lovers drink for free. Spin you around my glass and watch you fall down. Pull you back down. But damn, it feels good when you jump on it. Scars on my chest like you own it. You can have my last name if you want it. If you want it, if you want it. Dear girl, we don't even have to stop it. Take you higher than a real rocket. You can have my last name if you want it. If you want it, if you want it. Damn, it feels good. Good, good. Damn, it feels good. Oh, so good, so good. So damn, it feels good when you jump on it. Scars on my chest like you own it. You can have my last name if you want it. If you want it, if you want it. Dear girl, we don't even have to stop it. Take you higher than a real rocket. You can have my last name if you want it. If you want it, if you want it. But damn, it feels good when you jump on it. Scars on my chest like you own it. You can have my last name if you want.
So the good thing about the 3 times pre-fluffed hair is the fact that it is very easy to separate. As you can see, it is so soft, it is already stretched out, and it's already pre-separated. So it makes your job very easy. And as you can see from the texture of the hair, it mimics the natural texture of our hair. And you can, like I already mentioned, you can use this extension for different styles: butterfly locks, distress locks, twists, anything you want to do. If you even want to do a roll and tuck style, I bet you this style or this extension is going to come out great as well. So I was thinking I was going to cut the extension, but I thought, you know what, I love this length that I'm working with, and I decided not to cut the hair.
When you jump on it, scars on my chest like you own.
And I also want to add that the water popping twist is a water coil and poppy twist is also a tight spring coil. They both come in variety of colors and length from 16 inches, 20 inches, 24 and 28. They are pre-stretched, pre-separated and pre-fluffed as well. More information about the hair will be in the description box. I'll also attach the link to buy this hair directly from the company. Every information you need will be down in the description box. So make sure you check that out.
Pull you back down, watch you slide down. Let me drink you in. Oh, selfish lovers drink for free. Spin your
style. I ended up using just one pack. I didn't even use everything because I thought this is already way too full, and I absolutely love this style. So all you need to do is to trim out any loose ends, or depending on the shape you're going for, you just want to make sure you trim it very well, and that's it. Enjoy the beautiful styles that I created using this beautiful extension. So thank you guys so much for sticking with me to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and also drop your beautiful comments in the comment section down below, and the link of the hair will be in the description box as well. Until my next video guys, bye.
so good, so good.